Hello and welcome to this video about emotional freedom technique tapping, acupressure that is for pain and stress. My name is Dr. Andrea Renee and I'm a doctor of acupuncture and Chinese medicine, licensed acupuncturist, primary care physician here in Hollywood, California. I'm so excited. I specialize in teaching patients how to become their own medicine by teaching them mind-body mastery tools. So you can build your own toolbox. And then you can use it at will as needed. That's how you can become your own medicine. You can notice when you need support and give yourself support so that you can be in complete control of your quality of life. So that is our goal here. So when you notice that you are in pain in any part of your body, for example, I have some shoulder pain issues. I was in a car accident in 1994, so I've been a chronic pain patient since then. And so because I have scar tissue, it's easy for me to build up tension, tightness, pain, and inflammation in the area of the injury because scar tissue doesn't allow blood flow to move through this area very well. And so when I've been on the computer, I've been working for a number of hours, I can really start to feel it build up. And so I need techniques like this to clear that inflammation, stiffness, tightness, pain that builds up for me on a daily basis. And I can do that in just a few minutes. And I am inviting you to explore this tool and see what kinds of results you can create for yourself, so that you can be in the driver's seat of your own quality of life as well. So that is the goal here, for me to help you become your own medicine long term, so that you can live your highest quality of life by having your mind, body, mastery minutes a day toolbox. So this is one of my favorite tools. Emotional freedom technique tapping is acupressure on acupuncture points that I will show you, and you tap them in a sequence. So whenever we start some kind of practice, it starts with, have you noticed that there's something going on? So identify what that area of your body is for you. For me, it's my shoulder. So once you have decided on the area you want to focus on for the practice, and you decided you're going to take 5 minutes out of your day to help yourself, now you can set a timer on your phone so you don't have to worry about missing any responsibilities. This is a pretty fast technique. Only takes minutes. That's why I'm so excited we can get results in a short period of time. So here, let's go to the sequence. So this EFT tapping procedure is a basic recipe that you can pull out for whatever you notice in your body. So whenever we start a practice, let's just go ahead. We identified where our area is that we want to focus on. I'm going to use my shoulder as an example. And just take a deep breath and exhale. Are you sitting comfortably in whatever chair you're sitting in? Just make sure that you're comfortable. And take 3 deep breaths. Breathing in the nose and out of the mouth. So we settled into this position, and now we're going to repeat 3 times. Even though I have this problem, I left a blank. So I'm going to repeat now for myself. Even though I have this shoulder problem, I deeply and completely accept myself. So we're going to repeat that 3 times while we're doing acupressure here. So if you follow your collarbone, you can see mine here, and you follow it to kind of where it ends, you'll feel a little triangle dip space here. So this is the sore spot. And we can rub this sore spot while we repeat this 3 times. Even though I have this shoulder problem, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have this shoulder problem, I deeply and completely accept myself. Even though I have this shoulder problem, I deeply and completely accept myself. Now this is the second part of the sequence after we did that 3 times. We're going to tap each of these points 5 times, and I'm going to show you where they are, and then we're going to tap them 5 times in a row. So we have this point at the inner eyebrow end, and then to tap we can use 1 or 2 fingers and just tap the point. We can tap it 3 or 6 times. You can tap it 5 times on each point. So here in the center of the eyebrow, here at the corner of the eye, here below the middle of the eye, here under the nose, here at the chin, and here again where we had started in that little indentation crease place at the corner, medial end, center end of our collarbone here. And then we're going to move to the hand, but let's do this first 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now there's one underneath. For women, it's about the bra line. Here, directly underneath our armpit. And we can reach with the opposite hand. So under the breast line, under the armpit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're going to tap the hand. So following the hand, we're going to be on the inside of each finger. So we have the pinky, we have the middle finger, and we have the inside of the thumb. And then we have under this knuckle here, there's a point here. And so we're going to go 5 taps on each of these points. So again, on the inside of the pinky, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On the inside, towards the thumb is what I'm calling inside of the middle finger, right at the corner of the nail bed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then here on the corner of the nail bed, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then here on this outside of the thumb, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then here on this joint here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll go through that one more time from the face to under the arm to the hand to review it. So 1 or 2 fingers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Under the eye, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Under the nose, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Under the chin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here at the collarbone, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Under the armpit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now on the hand, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Middle finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pointer finger, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thumb, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here, under the pinky, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we're going to go to the third part. This is called the gamut. Between the 4th and 5th finger, there's this little triangle. If you have your finger go down between the bones, you'll feel this little triangle here. And so what we're going to do with this gamut point is we're going to perform 9 actions while we are tapping this gamut point. So those are actions with our eyes. So eyes closed, eyes open, eyes hard down right, eyes hard down left, looking down left, eyes that will roll around in a circle, so clockwise in a circle, and eyes roll in the opposite direction in a circle. So clockwise first and counterclockwise after. And now we're going to hum for 5 seconds a song of happy birthday. And now we're going to count from 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're going to hum the 5 seconds of a song again. So we went through this whole sequence, the 3 parts. We could repeat the number 2 sequence of tapping the face, the collarbone, under the armpit, and the hand. We repeat this one more time. So now let's tap again here, inside corner of the eyebrow 5 times, outside of the eye 5 times, under the eye 5 times, under the nose 5 times, under the chin 5 times, at the center of the collarbone 5 times, underneath the armpit of the brow line 5 times. And now back to the hand 5 times, inside of the nail bed of the pinky 5 times, inside of the middle finger 5 times, inside of the pointer finger 5 times, inside of the thumb 5 times, and down here below the knuckle of the base of the pinky 5 times. So now just notice, how do you feel about the area that you worked on? So I actually went from about a level 5 pain to I don't feel it anymore. That's what's so magical. So you can play with this tool, enjoy the results. How many pain levels did it take away from you? How do you feel now? So in these minutes a day, we can take back our body, take back our mind, our quality of life. Because we were so focused on doing so many specific things that I just demonstrated in this video, we had to focus on the spots, on the tapping, on the counting. We got out of our head and into our body, so we can also feel centered, calmer, less emotional, mental stress too, and feel more clear and more focused after this practice. So that's another side effect too that's quite nice, in addition to taking the pain levels down. So I hope you have enjoyed this tool. I look forward to helping you build your own self-care toolbox so that you can be a mind-body master too. And we'll see you next time. Take care.